What is this called?
A whisk. A whisk.
A whisk. What is this called?
A fork. A fork.
A fork. What is this called?
A spoon.
A spoon.
A spoon.
What is this called?
A ladle.
A ladle.
A ladle.
What is this called?
A spatula. A spatula.
A spatula.
A spatula.
What is this called?
A knife. A knife.
A knife. What is this called?
A mortar.
A mortar.
A mortar.
What is this called?
A grater.
A grater.
A grater.
What is this called?
A frying pan. A frying pan.
A frying pan.
Yes.
What is this called?
A cutting board.
A cutting board.
A cutting board.